Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a group in Viber. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So, just follow me guys, and if you have any queries, just comment down below right away guys. I'll be there for you guys. So, firstly, what you need to do is just go to, or let's say select a person that you want to add to group. So, I go with him and then go to the profile like this. And then over here you'll find this which says add dash dash to a group. Just go there and create a new group with him, and then you can add more numbers like this. You can add another number. You can add it and then press done and enter a group name. So I'll just write worky like this, and then let it load, and that's how you create a group guys. So that's all guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.